great temps right now. Warm day and a pleasant night right now. We're at 66. We did get up to the 80-degree mark, and yesterday we were in the upper 80s. Tomorrow, we'll be back in the upper 80s. West winds barely moving, the barometer rising 30.01 inches. Right now, 63 Westminster, 64 in Cumberland. They were 90 degrees this afternoon. 69 Ocean City and 64 over in D.C. Frederick at 63. High pressure across West Virginia actually extends up and down the East Coast, and it's building heat west of us. All kind of records set today. Chicago was 94 degrees. Minneapolis was 92. Michigan, central Michigan, low 90s. This is what's left of Jose off the East Coast. Did push a few clouds across the region this afternoon. Actually kept temperatures down a little bit. But tomorrow we should clear out pretty nicely. That high is going to build in. Things will be very warm, mid to upper 80s, and even warmer as we head into Sunday and Monday. That's the peak of the heat. As this high is going to sit right over us. Very light winds. The heat is really going to build probably 90 degrees. Low 90s possible on Monday for one day. Then it begins to cool off a little bit after that. In the futurecast, some clouds starting to show up southeast of us from, really, believe it or not, Maria is going to get close enough to the East Coast. Maybe by Tuesday and Wednesday could create some clouds, maybe some shower activity offshore. Right now it looks like, well, the only real impact on our region, maybe some clouds late Tuesday, some showers offshore. Beach effects for sure, because the storm is still going to be strong enough. Right now, it's moving off to the northwest there. We saw north of Turks and Caicos, still affecting certain southern sections of the Bahamas as it heads off to the north and northwest. Right now, about 9 miles an hour. Still a Category 3 storm. It'll weaken by the time it gets up here to a Category 1 storm off the coast, and then it goes out to the east-northeast in the Atlantic, and that's what all the models are showing. It will move between the United States and Bermuda. As it heads up in our direction, it'll continue to weaken because the water is pretty chilly out there. On the bay tomorrow, north winds with no advisory. Overnight tonight, 60 degrees, mild and humid for this time of year. 89 tomorrow, believe it or not. Just a few clouds around. Very hot temperatures for Sunday, Monday, 90, 91, 87. No rain expected either. 84 Wednesday. Cooler air coming in by the end of next week. Vic?